Bam. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. Right now we're doing Ethereum Classic plus 0.41% in green. So I hope you like that. That's something. It's not red at least. So we're gonna talk about what's actually happening, how long this sideways movement is gonna continue, and what I'm expecting actually to happen. But I think I had some semi-good news, so maybe that's something for you. That's why we got something called daily altcoins video, where we rank coins, 30 coins every single day, up, down, what's good, what's not, what's bad, what's pumping, what's not pumping, what's going through consolidation. We also talk about technical analysis and like when to buy, when not to buy, stuff like that. Like Dogecoin, is it good time to buy when it's going down minus 25%? Is it good time to buy right when it's Saturday Night Live talking about Dogecoin and stuff like that? So you know, we talk about tech analysis, market psychology, you know, rank coins. So if you need some help with picking coins, that might be something for you. So go down and check down the Patreon link for that. Also check out the Telegram link. Nice community, 3,500 members. Yesterday was like 3,300 members. So we are getting there. We are getting better. Party is getting bigger. You know, Corona is not stopping this party. That said, check out links below and let's get into the charts. Make my face smaller. Charts bigger always as a good thing, right? And see what's actually happening with Ethereum Classic. Now, right now, 0.8%. So we kind of get already started going a little bit more up since we started this video. That's always a good thing. 1, 2, 3, 4 days. This is 4 days of consolidation, because once we pumped up here really hard, we popped the cherry on the top here, and then what happens when you get some kind of overbought levels, you have to go through some kind of consolidation. I also made a video on the top telling you that this is top, this is going through consolidation. There is nothing to be fearful about. What I'm saying, actually, I was trying to warn new people from getting in at the top. It's not actually a problem getting in top, because we are not actually in the bear market. It's not like this gonna start going down and go down to zero or something like some crazy levels like that. In the bull market, the consolidation goes sideways and then just continue up, or goes a little bit down and continue going up. The problem is when you buy up here, this very top over here, now you have to wait for this to come back to the price where you bought it, right? You have to wait for the price, and that's what I call the pain period, because you have to look at all the losses. You have to look at the green numbers on your screen instead, while everybody else is having some kind of crazy red candles, green candles and green numbers, right? So it is a pain period. It's a risky business getting it now. It would be better opportunity getting in once we start hitting maybe this 10 moving average, or even better if we can manage to hit this 20 moving average. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but we're gonna be looking at it day by day. We're also doing Ethereum Classic every single day, you know, so subscribe to the channel and all that shebang. Let's see how our indicators are doing, especially this one up here. That's the rubber band indicator, RSI. You know, rubber band, stretch it and it pulls right back again. So we stretched it all the way up to 95 numbers up here, and that's why we are saying like, guys, maybe not get into this right now. Yeah. So you can see here it's already correcting down to 84, down to 76, but I think it needs to go at least something like 60, 70 levels. At least the best possible scenario would be some kind of 50 levels, like over here. This is actually hitting 57, 58. Best case scenario, but I think it's just gonna hit like some kind of 60 levels, because this is in a strong uptrend. So we're gonna see actually where this is gonna end and what's gonna actually happen with it. But it is going through consolidation, and consolidation, luckily for you guys, it's actually looking like it's a sideways consolidation. It might have some kind of dump, because these usually have some kind of dump sooner or later, where they kind of weed out everybody who bought. So it goes kind of sideways and it gets kind of some kind of like a big dump, and then like a spring, and then continue going up. So the dump might actually come. It doesn't have to, but it might come, just so you know that might happen. On the 4 hourly, we are actually seeing the bearishness in the price. Now there is a resistance line that we have to break if we want to go higher. It's not, unfortunately, right now it's not being broken, and right now we are actually fighting to stay above this the 10 moving average and the 20 moving average, and right now we are fighting to stay above this 10 and 20 moving average. You can see here we went above it, closed above this was very good, but yesterday we dropped right back below the 10 and 20 moving average. No, this is not, yes, this is 4 hourly chart. So this is 4 hours ago, this is is 8 hours ago, this is 12 hours ago. So we are already, and this is the second time we are trying to that. So once we got back below all the moving averages, we tried to do that one time, could not do that. Here, this is the second try get above all the moving average, which is failed. So technically we failed 2 times, exactly the same. Big green candle, the doji, this is doji candle, and big red candle. Big green candle, the doji, and the big red candle. That's also a reversal pattern, or a topping pattern, or bottoming pattern. It depends on where it is. But right now this is telling us failure. It's probably gonna go more down. So what we are looking right now at is this 50 moving average all the way down here. That's the yellow line. I don't think it's gonna go straight down to the 50 moving average, some 95 levels, but it will start. We believe the probability is that it will start bleeding more down towards this. The level to be watching for, I think it's this on the, let me see, there is no on the daily level, there is no on the weekly. This 4 hourly bottom down here is the one to watch. I think it's gonna act as a support, but if we start breaking, then we might be in for looking for other kinds of supports, one being right up here. But the 50 moving average will slowly start picking up the reprice, and we want to hit that and get support somewhere around those levels. So right now it does not look that good, but it can be quite bullish, and I'm going to explain to you right now why this is actually bullish, because we have not actually topped out. So let's go to the weekly time frame, and I'm going to show you on the weekly time frame. This is the previous week. Today is Monday, so that's the Sunday was closed on this candle over here. And if we look at the RSI, the rubber band index, you can see here that we actually closed up here at 90 levels. Now 90 levels are quite high, and over here you can see at 80 we stopped and went back down to the 10 moving average. Something like that might happen here as well. We are not saying, we are never saying never say never on this channel. It's technical analysis, anything can happen. We only look for probabilities, what's more probable to do, but technically this can actually go higher, because we are not that extended from the 10 moving average, and this can continue even higher and push this RSI even higher up over here. Levels above 90 are normal, but once you start hitting those levels, you have to be, the risk starts increasing. So the more higher you go, the more extended from the 10 moving average you are, the more risk you are getting into, and the risk is only about hitting the consolidation phase, correction phase, and going through this pain period again until technicals are being resetted, and then continuing the movement up. On the daily chart we are looking to reset this. So I would say if we are to go further up from here without a multi-week correction or something like that, I think this is only a multi-day correction that's right now happening. I'm thinking we're gonna have a couple of more days hitting this 10 moving average, and let's see if we are gonna go looking for support on the 20 moving average, or what's gonna happen. But if I don't think that this actually needs to be that bad. I don't think that we actually have to stop at the 90. This is 90, yeah, exactly 90, maybe 91 level. We don't have to stop there. We can just continue going even higher, and then pop out. So this isn't the doom all be all game over for Ethereum Classic, but it will go some kind of sideways movement. It will go kind of a little bit down and hitting this 50 moving average down here sooner rather than later. The faster you can get over with the dump, the faster you can start climbing again, of course. But right now it looks like we are going to go a little bit down. Now I'm just trying to tell you what I see. I was trying to warn people that these kind of levels are actually quite high on the indicators, because we know technical analysis, know how these kind of things works. So even on the Patreon I was telling people, guys, watch out, like it's too high, don't FOMO in, don't let your emotions take the better of you and stuff like that. But I don't have any problem with Ethereum Classic yet, because we are still in the bull market. This still has a chance to go up, and it will go up. The question is not if it will go up, but when will it go up. So now is your personal inner dialogue, like, should I hodl through this, should I sell and buy something else and stuff like that, but that's you have to take those decisions. I cannot take those decisions for you. The only thing I can do is tell you, yeah, it looks like it's gonna be little more while until we get bullish again, especially until we break this diagonal line that's going downwards over here. Anyways, subscribe to the channel if you want to see tomorrow's update on Ethereum Classic, because we're gonna as long as people are watching these videos, we're gonna keep doing Ethereum Classic, so you know, you might as well subscribe and keep on watching the videos as well. That said, check out the links down below for the Patreon and the Telegram group. Telegram group being really nice, growing every day. Nice community, nice community. And the last, you know, there's only like 10% people watching this video, because as soon as I say like thank you for today, everybody clicks off the video. So the rest of you people that are still watching, I want to thank you personally, because that's the best kind of support you can give to this channel, is by watching entire videos. You know, likes and subscriptions and comments and all that are nice, but watching the video all through the end, that's golden. That's golden. It increases my watch time, it increases my audience retention, it increases everything, all the stats on the YouTube. It's just golden. Thank you for that. See you more. Come back. Maybe I have better news then. See you around. Bye bye.